Have you ever wondered just how much of an impact your diet has on your baby, even before they take their first breath? What if I told you that the food you eat today could shape how your baby learns, remembers, and even responds to stress for the rest of their life? Sounds incredible, right? Well, science is proving that nutrition during pregnancy isn't just about growth, it's about building a brain. And here's where it gets even crazier. Some of your favorite cravings, whether it's chocolate, spicy food, or even that extra slice of pizza, might be influencing your baby's brain development in ways you never imagined. So what exactly does your diet do to your baby's developing mind? What should you eat more of? What should you avoid? And is it really possible to give your child a cognitive advantage before they're even born? Let's dive in. The brain begins before birth. Your baby's brain starts forming just 3 weeks after conception. That means before most parents even know they're expecting, neurons are already multiplying at an insane rate, up to 250,000 brain cells per minute. That's like building an entire city from scratch at lightning speed. But here's the catch. This massive brain-building process depends almost entirely on the nutrients available in your bloodstream. Every bite you take becomes raw material for the most complex organ in your baby's body, the nutrients that supercharge baby's brain. Let's talk about the brain-boosting superstars, the nutrients that help shape your baby's intelligence, memory, and emotional resilience. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids, DHA. If there's one nutrient that's a non-negotiable for brain health, it's DHA. 1. Found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, DHA helps build the brain's communication network. 1. Studies show that babies whose moms consumed enough DHA during pregnancy had better problem-solving skills and higher IQs as toddlers. 2. Choline. This one doesn't get talked about enough, but it's absolutely essential for memory formation. 2. It's found in eggs, lean meats, and dairy, and it helps build the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for learning and memory. 2. In other words, choline-rich foods could be helping your baby store their very first memories before they're even born. 3. Iron. Think of iron as your baby's oxygen supply. 3. It helps red blood cells carry oxygen to the brain, and low iron levels during pregnancy have been linked to slower cognitive development and attention issues later in life. 3. Foods like spinach, lentils, and lean meats can help keep those levels up. 4. Folate, vitamin B9. You've probably heard that folic acid is essential to prevent birth defects, but it also plays a huge role in brain cell growth and DNA repair. 4. Leafy greens, citrus fruits, and beans are excellent sources. Foods that can hinder brain development, just like some foods help, others can hurt. Here's what you should watch out for. Processed sugars and junk food. Studies have found that a high-sugar diet during pregnancy could increase the risk of attention and memory problems in children. Plus, too much sugar can cause inflammation in the brain, which isn't great for development. Mercury-heavy fish. While fish is great for omega-3s, certain types, like swordfish and king mackerel, are high in mercury, which can harm brain function. Stick to low-mercury options like salmon and sardines. Excess caffeine. While moderate caffeine is usually okay, too much could restrict blood flow to the placenta, potentially impacting your baby's brain development. Does diet affect your baby's personality? Here's where things get even more fascinating. Scientists now believe that what you eat might actually shape your baby's temperament. For example, research suggests that a diet rich in probiotics and fiber can influence gut bacteria, which plays a huge role in mood and stress levels. This means that by eating gut-friendly foods like yogurt, kimchi, and bananas, you could be helping your baby develop a calmer, more resilient personality. On the flip side, diets high in processed foods have been linked to higher levels of stress hormones in the womb, which could make babies more prone to anxiety after birth. The fascinating science of taste memory. Did you know your baby can actually taste the flavors of what you eat through amniotic fluid? If you love spicy food, your baby is getting a tiny sample of that heat. If you eat lots of fruits, they're experiencing those natural sugars. And here's the wild part. Babies actually remember these flavors after birth. Studies show that infants whose moms ate certain foods during pregnancy were more likely to enjoy those same flavors as toddlers. So if you want your little one to love their veggies, start eating them now. Your diet isn't just feeding you, it's shaping your baby's brain, their future learning abilities, and even their personality. And the best part? Small changes can make a big difference. So, what's on your plate today? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because we've got more incredible pregnancy insights coming your way.